So my blender has been leaking for the longest of time. I left it, I bought another one. I used this for a couple of months. The second one also started leaking. So I've been trying to get a solution for this problem. And then I decided to order like a set. I got this blade, this one also, the plates, and this. So I'm going to attempt to change this whole thing to stop it from leaking. Okay, just for more clarity, this is what the under of the blender is looking like. It's rusted or rusty. So I will change this thing. I'll go ahead and replace this plate with this one. Right. This is the new blade. This is it. I have a new blender. I have a new blender.
I have a new blender.
I have a new blender.
I have a blue blender. I choose this one. No. I choose this one.
That's it for this video. If you have a similar issue, if you have this type of blender or any type of blender, you have silvercrest or you have kenwood or you have ninja or, and then the cup is leaking, all you have to do is just to change the blade and your blender will be as new.